Man. Whew. It's cold. Here we are at the Fork Ridge Trail intersection with the Appalachian Trail. Climbed Clingman's Dome yesterday, and then back down to Mount Collins Shelter. We're on our way here, day 2. It's gonna be a pretty easy day today, just going downhill for a while. Whoop. Here we go. Oh boy, it's gonna be cold. Woo-wee. It is cold. Deep too. Woo. Oh boy. Whoa. Woo. Oh. Whew. Oh, painful. Woo. Woo. Whew. Boy. Gotta get over there. Oh boy. Well, I'm just selling out yet on getting them feet wet. Might be able to pull some magic here. Might get some magic. Look at this. It's magic. That was my campsite last night. Leave no trace. So it's day 3 out here. I'm just breaking camp. I've been messing around all day. It's noon. I'm just getting started. It rained so much last night. I mean, it poured. It's been raining on me for 3 days. I really haven't had any fun. So I had a nice little spot. I just kind of hung out for a bit. Look at the area around here. The creek here is really rushing. I've been having a lot of these water crossings. It's really moving. It's beautiful out here today. Look right now, I mean, I think it's awesome. So I gotta go down this way today. I'm not sure exactly where I'm heading. It's all a guess, really. I didn't get any of the guides. I need to get the guides. Maybe when I get to Cherokee, I'll get the guides. But just kind of walking along here. We're gonna go flat here for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go up for about 6 miles today, and then it's 7 miles down into Mingus Mill. It's not been real pretty out, but man, I love it. I love it. Boy, maybe they'll consider this a water crossing. Oh boy, we'll just keep going here. Whoa. Man, I don't know where I go here. So this Deep Creek Trail. What do we got over here? Bull Creek Trail. I think I gotta cross over that way there. We need to go over here anyway. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't matter. Boy, come on, I don't have luck with these logs. Yesterday I wrapped around one, my load shifted. Which, by the way, strap your stuff on tight. If your load shifts, you can lose your balance, and that can be bad. I almost fell into the creek yesterday. Wasn't good, but I made it. Let's go ahead and walk across this anyway. Let's see what we got. Woo! Man, that's awesome. Man, I just know I'm gonna slip. I'm going in this creek, and then it's all over. It's all over. Man, that's awesome. Man, that's awesome. Like a hollow tree there. Say bears and Smokies, that's where they hibernate, in hollow trees. Just a little tidbit of information for you. Only place they do that in the world. How about that? A little keeper of the book of little known facts you wish you'd soon forget. Well, here we are. It's day 3 out here. Whew. Nice, beautiful snow. Camped down over that way. That was the Newton Bald campsite. Everything's frozen. Everything I have is frozen. That's great. So I'm gonna go about 9 miles today. And head into Cherokee, see if I can't get dried out. See what goes on here. Whew. Boy, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Mountain and Sea Trail. Man, the Smokies don't ever disappoint me. I was thinking I was going to get out of the Smokies with just getting rained on, but I get to get me some snow. I like the snow. I like the snow a lot. Storms the last couple nights, the night before last, man, my ears popped. I could feel the barometric pressure drop. I knew there's some tornadoes around, and man, I could hear trees falling, wind going, it's pouring rain. Wow. Last night, yeah. Last night was fun. It's like being in a hurricane. All right, I'm gonna get to it. It's gonna be a hell of a day. Well, it's getting towards the end of day 6 out here on the Mountain to Sea Trail. Just been climbing all day today. I'm about 10 miles in now. I had to walk up the Blue Ridge Parkway. Had my own little private parkway there. The parkway's closed, so I just had me a nice little jaunt up the mountain road. Now I'm on a back dirt road here. It's worth it. It's just beautiful. It's awesome. So we'll keep going. I guess there's some snow in the forecast tomorrow. So I'll be finishing up segment 1 and getting into segment 2. We'll see what happens with that. Always love a good storm. It's a little dark out here. So it's day 7 up here. I'm walking through Mile High Campground. It's an awesome view over here. It's just the campground over here. Had a little view. I guess they're closed for the winter here. We want to talk about a climb up here. Just walking up the Blue Ridge Parkway. Man, I had that whole parkway to myself. It's a long walk, but just kept climbing. I was like, man, when's this climbing gonna stop? I got off on a gravel road and started climbing, and man, I climbed for a long time. So here we are back on the Mountains to Sea Trail. It's gonna snow a little bit later, probably about 3 o'clock. I don't know how far I'm gonna go. I'm gonna finish segment 1 here and get into segment 2. And then got a little setup where I'm gonna go get a decent resupply. It's a storm, I'll tell you that. About another mile to go up here. Get to the top. Guess this snow is gonna dump for a few hours. So I guess once I get to the top, I'll go down the other way. Maybe try to get to a normal elevation. I think I'm close to about 6,000 feet here. Here I am at Waterrock Knob. There's the view. Not a really good view today. It's been snowing pretty good the last couple hours on the way up. It's not too bad. It's beautiful, that's for sure. Definitely beautiful. So I'll finish up segment 1 here. Kudos to me. Hey. So now I'm starting on to segment 2. I guess it's going to snow for a couple more hours here, whatnot. So at least I'm here up on top of the mountain, so I can climb down and maybe not get hit too hard. But boy, whew, it has definitely been snowing, a little cold. Man, I'm gonna tell you, Red Fox. Man, this gear's kept me warm and dry. Thank you so much. It's awesome. Awesome, every bit of it, every piece of it. So, keep going on through here. It's about 5 o'clock now. I'll go a few more miles, see how far I want to go down, but we'll just keep pushing. It's awesome out here, Mountain Sea Trail, gotta do it. All right, I'm out.